HOTS Higher Order Thinking Skills. Module 3, Quiz 3.7, C. End of Module Assessment Solution. Before we begin, please subscribe for updates, like, comment and share. Feel free to write to us.
Let's do this.
Solution. Quiz 3.7, C. End of Module Assessment. 1. What strategy did the teacher use when engaging students to clean up the trash pile and understand the problem? Brainstorming. 2. Which strategy encouraged students to come up with creative solutions like making art projects and plant holders from recycled materials? Creative thinking. 3. When students proposed placing bins and designing posters, which decision-making strategy was used? Problem solving. 4. What approach was applied when students made posters to spread awareness about cleanliness? Hands-on activity. 5. The teacher helped students reflect on the long-term impact of their cleanliness drive. Which strategy does this reflect? Reflective thinking. 6. What type of learning strategy was used when students participated in cleaning the trash outside the school? Experiential learning. 7. Which analytical thinking skill was developed when students suggested separating recyclable items from trash? Categorization. 8. Which approach reflects the teacher's decision to turn the project into a school-wide campaign? Collaborative learning. Score: 100%. Congratulations, you passed the quiz. Great work. Thanks for watching.